video, we're taking a look at another impressively thin foldy. This is our video on the Honor Magic V5. The foldables game is getting hot. Earlier this year, Samsung released the Fold 7, which was a significantly thinner folding form factor for the Samsung Folds. And honestly, it's this year that I'm really feeling that the Fold is getting into the mainstream. More and more people have just been asking me about these foldies, and Honor is not far behind. And to be fair to Honor, they have been coming up with legitimate folding phones. And so I'm excited to check out the Honor Magic V5. But first, let's unbox. Okay, so how thin is thin? Honestly, side by side with the Samsung Fold 7, the Honor Magic V5, well, it's looking like these two are almost the same thinness. It's crazy. I mean, it's crazy how thin both are, but like as you can see, when it comes to form factor, I'd say that the Honor Magic V5 does compete, right? So here is the Honor Magic V5, and honestly, folded, it also feels like a normal candy bar phone. It is honestly very, very sleek. If anything, it's only really that camera bump that makes it a little chunky. So you have volume rockers, unlock button, your speakers, SIM tray, and USB-C charging port. And as you can see, one side is basically as thin as the USB-C charging port. It's crazy. Like, unfolded, these phones are just so good. Like, look at that screen. And again, how thin this thing is. Now, at the event, they did say that this phone is so durable in fact that they connected this to a 35-kilo dumbbell, and it was crazy that the phone wasn't breaking at this point. Like, you can see that screen, there is a crease. I mean, again, I will tell you this, all foldables, they have this because these things fold. I can also say that most of the time when you're using these, you don't even get to feel them really. Okay, so there are 3 cameras on the back, one here, and then multitasking mode wise, you can click an app and just pull up this navigation bar, and then now it's a floating window. And this, you can move around everywhere, but you can also drag app controller to enter the mini window mode. So you can also make it a mini window. Wait, how do I there, it's not a mini window. You can enlarge. There you go. And now you have multi-flex mode. You can adjust the windows, and you can also do quick launch of split screen. Like I told you, multitasking on this is no joke. Anyway, because of this form factor, you also get like really cool features. Like, for example, you can turn on the cover screen preview, which is always great for vlogging. However, I am still trying to find the settings where it allows you to not only preview the screen but control from here. Hopefully we get that in an update or something, because that is a very useful feature, especially for form factors like this. But yeah, you can also shoot while doing this, and because you have a camera here, I can just flip it, and that's gonna be cool for like video calls, for example. And of course, aside from that, there are like many cute features. Like I tap this, there's also that feature where you have this cute little animal thing that will show up on your cover screen. Why? Well, because this is gonna be a great thing to distract like a baby or a kid or a pet, so that they look at the camera when you take the photo. That's really cute. Now, alongside the Honor Magic V5, Honor did launch a flip phone. So yes, they have flip phones as well. The Honor Magic V Flip 2 is in collaboration with Professor Jimmy Choo. Yes, that Jimmy Choo, the guy, not the brand. It's looking like a solid flip phone. Unfortunately, this is only being launched in China. Now, I was in London for the official global launch of the Honor Magic V5, and this is where I was able to test out the cameras of this phone. To recap, this phone reps a 50 megapixel main camera on the back, another 50 megapixel wide, and a third 64 megapixel periscope camera that can do 3 times optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom. Aside from the back cameras, there are 2 other cameras, one on the cover screen and one on the inner screen, and both are 20 megapixel shooters. Right, let's go shoot with these cameras. Rear cameras, 4K 30 FPS, that's wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, and you can zoom up until 10x, back to 1x, and now wide. Front-facing camera of the Honor Magic V5, we are at Hyde Park. And by the way, this is 4K 30 FPS on wide, and you can do 1x. So nice! It's a little windy, yeah? He's also very private, guys, so, you know, respect his privacy. Look at this guy. Look at his little rig. There's a little beer garden situation over there. It's a nice afternoon. I came straight from...
You came?
Stop! I came straight from a 20-hour flight. So my sleep, my head, it doesn't feel like it's on, right? So I decided to go for a chai latte. But I gotta be honest, I'm very tempted by the beer. Funniest thing is I'm in London and I'm specifically vlogging Chinatown because you can take the Asian out of Asia.
It's about to get funnier.
But you can't take what? Ah, we lost the plot to this joke. Okay, we're almost here. So just like the other phones in the market right now, we have AI on this phone, and there are a lot of features. So first of all, you get a magic sidebar that gives you like suggestions on what you can do. All you need to do is swipe, and there you go. You have magic text, which allows you to extract text from images. You have magic portal, which is basically that feature which allow you to circle to search things. So basically anything you're watching, any content you're looking at, you can just like circle it and you'll be able to look it up. So let's enable. You can also drag content to magic portal so that it's easier for you to look them up. So for example, I'm on Instagram. So what if I want to circle this? You see how now I have suggestions. I can save to gallery. I have notes. I can, what if I put it on stories? See, it automatically adds it to my Instagram stories. That's really, really cool. You have AI subtitles, translate, call translation, AI writing, and then AI deep detection. There's also smart sensing. There's also air gesture, which we've seen this previously in Huawei devices. I really love these features. It allows you to like air scroll, which means your phone will scroll without you touching the screen. For example, I turn it on and then, okay. That's cool. So for example, I'm on Instagram. I'm just gonna do this and it's gonna scroll up without me touching it. See, scroll up. Easy peasy. And then aside from that, on your gallery app, you also have like the create feature, and we've seen these feature before on Honor phones and it's absolutely amazing. It is the AI image to video feature, and that is also available on this phone. Right, back to the vlog. And that was our look at the new Honor Magic V5. Definitely another impressive foldable. To be honest, the fold game is heating up. Let me know what you guys think about this phone. Let me know how you think these cameras did. Comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.